Hey y'all, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad y'all decided to stop by and hang out with me. I hope y'all have had a great week. I wanted to give y'all some cleaning motivation today. I'm actually still on vacation, and so I did all this stuff the day before I left. So I really hope that you enjoy it and that it gives you some much needed motivation. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button, the bell so that you'll get notifications, and share my video, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you'll know when I'm putting up new videos. Thank y'all to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate the people who are sharing my videos and helping me get my content out there. So I was excited to get started on my bedroom because I got some new curtains off of Amazon, and I love them online. However, as I put them up, they just did not go well. They look okay on video, but up close they're more crayon-y type colors, and they had like yellow in them, which I was not expecting. So anyway, I'll link those curtains down below in case anybody loves them. But I ended up putting my other white curtains back up. So at the end of the video, you'll see my white curtains up instead of these floral curtains. They were cute, but they were just a little too retro-y for me. They had a very 1970s type vibe, and they had green in them and some yellow, and it just did not go. However, we did love our new bedding. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know why that I put those white curtains right back up. Let me know in the comments if y'all clean with me while you're watching the video, or if you watch the video and then clean. I'd really like to know. If there's any other type of videos that y'all would like for me to do, such as cooking or something like that, let me know. I'd be glad to try to do something a little bit different. I hope y'all have a great week. See y'all next time. Bye.